Ayan, nakabit ko na yung mic. Pakinggan nyo yung difference ng audio without and with mic. Ito yung with mic. Yung kanina is without the mic. Hindi nyo na narinig yung background noise like yung electric fan na nakabukas.